Hey there, this is Malik Mills with Regal Roofing. We're here at Mr. Mark Wills's property. It's going to be claim number A00005997666, and that's going to be 3763 Mallory Court, Hillsborough. So here we have on your insured, we have what seems to be a wind damaged shingle. Wasn't counted for wind damage. As you can see, it's got some slight creasing in it as far as the wind damage. What we're going to be doing is attempting a repairability. So in order to take this out and attempt the repair, I've marked the nail spots that we need to take out in order to remove those shingles. So here I'll go ahead and start removing those. Actually going to be two more, one right here, one right there. So here I'll be removing the nails, trying to keep it down as much as possible. Here the nails have completely eaten through, so this is all out right here. Another nail is eating through this one. And another nail is eating through that one. So just pre-existing conditions. The shingle's just really brittle. The nails have gone through. Just nail pop here. Nails gone completely through. Nails completely through on that one as well. Completely through on that one as well. Alright, so as you can see, the shingle is completely out. Here on the shingle, you can kind of see where the nails have eaten completely through the shingles. And then as far as just lifting those up, as you can tell now, I mean, lots of granule loss on all the granules around.
A crease right here as well.
Yeah, as you can tell, it's creasing. So this one would be an additional damaged shingle. This one here as well, the transfers, mat transfer is completely gone. It's creased as well. That would be an additional shingle.
With the nails popping through as well.
And this one as well. This one's actually not too bad. This one's still pretty good. That one. And this one as well. So it looks, so on the fill, we have 3 failure points. As far as that, along with the multiple nail pops and nail pins. So as far as we're concerned, this would be a fail repair for us. All right, thank you.